What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be styling my hair with some curlers just to give it that heatless curl vibe. Obviously, my hair is already curly, but I want a different curl pattern. So first things first, my hair is washed, or not really washed. I just kind of rinsed everything out and I didn't shampoo it or condition or anything like that. And then I just let it air dry. So it's pretty much dry, like 99% dry. The styling tool that I'm gonna be using for my hair is called Cozy Curlers. And this is what it looks like. This is the packaging that it comes in. It's really cute. And let me just show you. So it's a foam roller and there's like nothing in the middle. So I guess it's supposed to be comfortable for sleeping. And then it has this little net here that after you've wrapped your hair around the foam roller, you put the net on and secure your hair. And then your hair is able to dry. So I was just browsing on Pinterest and I saw like a little video for these. I was like, oh, that's interesting. And then I did like a search on YouTube and I have not seen any videos for this product, like other than by the company itself, Cozy Curlers. I haven't seen anybody make any videos. So I was like, that's odd. So I thought it was interesting and I wanted to try the product and make a video, especially since there's no videos with girls with natural hair like me, curly hair. It's all women who have naturally straight hair and non-textured hair. So I'm curious to see how this will work for our type of hair. I'm excited. The package comes with 8 cozy curlers and it's retails at $29.99, I believe, and I got it on sale for like $26. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. So I watched the videos on how they do it, and it's normally on dry hair. That's the only reason why I let my hair dry. They recommend that you start off on dry or lightly damp hair. You use like the little spray bottle to lightly damp your hair, so that way it doesn't take forever to dry. And then you either wear them overnight or you let it dry over a couple of hours until they're dry and then you take them down. But I'm gonna try to follow the rules as much as possible. So I don't really have any product in my hair other than a tiny bit of oil. I'm not gonna use water because my hair needs a little bit more than that or else it's gonna be frizzy. So I'm gonna be using this leave-in conditioner. And if you watch my last video on this, you know that this product is super lightweight. So I'm hoping that it'll give it a little bit of hold and it'll dry fast. So since there's only 8 rollers, I am gonna divide my hair into 8 sections. This half, I'm gonna just put it away for now. I'm going to split this in half as well and put this back half away. All right, so this front half, I'm gonna divide into 2 sections. Yeah, look at how crazy I look. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out. Got my leave-in, and I'm going to So now I'm gonna grab the little roller, and you're supposed to start at the top with the net on the bottom and then just curl it around. So now you put your hand through the bottom of the net. With your hand that's netted, grab the bottom of your hair to keep it secured. And then you wrap it around. Okay, so I have it wrapped, and then I guess you're supposed to grab the back, and this is what they call a double wrap, and then just kind of pull it, I guess. And there we go. Gonna repeat the process. This is why we test products, to see how they work. So you're supposed to put the curls away from your face and the direction away from your face, if that makes sense. Okay, grabbing it from the bottom, going over the top, and then once it's over, double wrap. I hope you guys are able to see that. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my head, and then I'll be back to show you how it's looking. All right, so I finally got them all in, and I'm gonna be real, there is kind of a learning curve. Anyway, I'm gonna leave them in overnight, and I will come back tomorrow, take them down, and we'll see the results together. Let's pray for the best. Okay, so it is the next day. It's been a couple of hours now. I slept in it overnight. I don't know what time I started. I wanna say like around 9 p.m. and it is now 4 p.m. the next day. So it's been in for almost 24 hours. No particular reason. I did feel them dry earlier, but I was kind of just lounging around because what else is there to do? Okay, let's go ahead and take these out. Okay. I don't know if I should start at the bottom and work my way up. I just don't want to mess them up. Okay. Turning out to be cute little ringlets. Look at how cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just start separating, which I'm nervous about. First off, I just want to point out, look at how cute these are looking so far. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys, I was not expecting this at all. Like, what the hell? Oh my gosh. They turned out so good. Like, look at these ringlets. I am shook. Like, what? Tell me this ain't cute. I am so hyped right now. Like, I need to keep my hands out of my hair because who am I right now? Like, This is so freaking cute. Totally, totally, totally worth the investment, the $27 I spent. Definitely will be doing this again. Like, I am so in love with these results. I've never been more in love with like a perm rod, a flexi rod. Like, I love this so much. I would totally 100% recommend this to my natural girls out there, especially if you don't want to use heat. Like, this is just amazing. You guys, comment down below, what do you think about this? Have you even heard of cozy curlers? I had never heard of this product before. Like I said, I discovered it on my Pinterest page and I saw that nobody has made a video using these. So totally interested to know your thoughts about this. Have you heard of this? Are you gonna try these? Because I'm telling you, sis, it's worth it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so, so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.